Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about W-Fragen. W-Fragen means W questions. Why it is W question? Because the question begins with the letter W. The W questions are known as open-ended questions. Just like in English, the question word goes in position 1 and the conjugated verb goes in position 2. Let us learn basic German question words with an example. The first question word wie, which means how. Wie means how. For an example, wie geht's dir? Wie geht's dir? How are you? The second question word was, which means what. Was means what. For an example, was kostet das? Was kostet das? What does it cost? The third question word is O, which means where. O means where. For an example, Wo liegt Hamburg? Wo liegt Hamburg? Where is Hamburg? Where is Hamburg? The fourth question word is welche, which means which. Welche means which. For an example, welche Stadt ist das? Welche Stadt ist das? Which city is that? The fifth question word is where, which means who. Where means who. For an example, wer bist du? Wer bist du? Who are you? The sixth question word is woher, which means where from. Woher means where from. For example, woher kommt Sophia? Woher kommt Sophia? Where does Sophia come from? The seventh question word is we feel, which means how much. We feel means how much. For an example, we feel 5 plus 7. We feel 5 plus 7. How much? 5 plus 7. The eighth question word is wie viele, which means how many. Wie viele means how many. For an example, wie viele Personen seid ihr zu Hause? Wie viele Personen seid ihr zu Hause? How many people are you at home? The ninth question word is wie lange, which means how long. Wie lange means how long. For an example, wie lange bleibt ihr in der Schule? Wie lange bleibt ihr in der Schule? How long do you stay at school? How long do you stay at school? The 10th question word is wann, which means when. Wann means when. For an example, wann hast du Deutschunterricht? Wann hast du Deutschunterricht? When do you have German class? The 11th question word is wohin, which means where to. Wohin means where to. For an example, wohin gehen wir? Wohin gehen wir? Where are we going? Let us summarize all the W-Fragen. Wie, was, wo, welche, where, woher, wie viel, wie viele, wie lange, wohin, wann. Vielen Dank.